Fifth part. The area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, area increased by 67 square units. Find the dimension of the rectangle. Now we have given that rectangle and the area of rectangle. We have different conditions. Let's see. First of all, we will discuss this about getting the solution, how to get the solution of this problem. We are considering that length and breadth of the rectangle is x unit and y unit respectively. Okay, so area would be x into y according to the first condition. First condition is given like this: area of rectangle get reduced by 9 square units. Okay, area is reduced by 9 square units if the length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. So we know the area of rectangle is x minus y, so it is given that x minus y reduced by 9 units. Okay, and if when length is reduced by 5 units, so length is x, it is reduced by 5 units, so x minus 5, okay, into, and breadth is increased by 3 units, so y is increased by 3 unit. That one is equals to x into y minus 9. Okay, so this one is the first condition. Let's see. So it is denoted by first condition. This one is the first condition. Now simplifying this, we will get equation number first. This one is equation first. 3x minus 5y minus 6 is equals to 0. Okay, now let's see the second condition which we have given in this numerical. Again we have given that if we increase the length by 3 units, so this time length is increased by 3 units, that is 3x plus 3, and breadth is breadth by 2 units, so here y plus 2, okay, into this one is multiplication. So area is increased by 67 units, so this time area would be equals to xy plus 67 unit. Okay, area increased by 67 units. So this one is the second condition. Now simplifying this equation, we'll get this term, that one is 2x plus 3y minus 61 is equals to 0. This one is equation number second. Now using cross multiplication method, we can obtain the solution. Let's see the formula of cross multiplication. So before doing the solution, I am going to write the formula of cross multiplication method. The formula is 1 upon a1 b2 minus b2 a1, and this one is equals to x upon b1 c2 minus c1 b2, that one is equals to y upon c2 a1 minus a2 c1. Okay, that one is equals to this. So this one is the formula. This one is the formula of cross multiplication. Now using this formula, we will get the value of x and y. Let's see. Now using that formula, we can get this equation. Now simplifying this, we will get this part, that one is x upon 323 is equals to y upon 171 is equals to 1 upon 19. Now we will get the value from this equation. X upon 323 is equals to 1 upon 19, or x is equals to 323 divided by 19, and we'll get x is equals to 17. Okay, similarly we can find the value of y. Let's see. For getting the value of y, what we'll do, y would be equals to 171 upon 19, and y is equals to 9. So we got both the values, x and y. So we got both the values x and y. This one is x equals to 17 and y equals to 9. Hence length, that is x, is equals to 17 units, and breadth, that is y, is equals to 9 units. Clear? This one is x and this one is y. This is length and breadth. Clear?